everyone, this is Kritika from Amma Devanta Studio. Today I am presenting to you a very delicious and chilled dessert, the Royal Falooda. The Royal Falooda is loaded with basil seeds, vermicelli, fruits, nuts and lots of love. Let's dive straight into making the Falooda. The ingredients for the Falooda are apples, bananas, strawberries, milk, rose syrup, water, assorted cherries or tutti fruitis, Turkmaria seeds or basil seeds or sabja seeds, almonds, cashew nuts, pistachios, Falooda vermicelli. The first step is to soak the Turkmaria seeds. So for that, I'm taking 2 teaspoons of Turkmaria seeds. And I'm pouring some water. We'll keep this aside for 5-10 minutes. The next step is to cook the Falooda save. So today I have used the yellow color store-bought Falooda save. You can either use this. If you don't have this at home, you can also use, this is my rice noodles that I have at home. You can use this, or you can also use vermicelli if you have it home. So, but you have to use the unroasted one. I don't have it at home, so I'm showing you the roasted vermicelli. But it does taste very good with vermicelli also. Now to cook the Falooda save, I have a pan with me. Let me switch on the stove. And pour some water. Immerse the Falooda save in the water and allow it to cook. This is how the Falooda save looks when it is cooked, and it has taken me roughly about 3 minutes to cook this. And now it is done. I've transferred the Falooda save into a bowl. Now let me quickly rinse this with some cold water so that it cools down quickly. So now I've rinsed it. Now remove the excess water. The third step is to start making the jelly. So for that, I'm using the store-bought jelly powder today, and I'm using strawberry flavor. So all that I'm going to do is follow the instructions in the packet. I will need 500 ml of hot water. So my hot water is ready and I'm just going to show you, but my jelly is already kept ready. So before that, I'm just going to mix and show you how to make this. My hot water is ready. So I'm just measuring it. Let me pour this into the powder and mix it well. Ensure that there are no lumps. Just give it a good mix. Once the mixture is nicely mixed in the water, allow it to cool, and after that you can refrigerate it for 4 hours and then your jelly will be ready. As I said earlier, I had kept the jelly ready for the video today. Next step is to roast the nuts. And you can use it raw as well, but then the roasted nuts taste heavenly. I usually roast the nuts. So let me start roasting the nuts. The nuts are roasted well. Now let's allow this to cool. While the nuts are getting cool, let me start chopping the fruits for the Falooda. So the apples are chopped, and now let me start chopping the banana. The bananas are chopped. Now let me start chopping the strawberries. The strawberries are also chopped now. Let me transfer this to the plate. Our fruits are chopped. Now it is time for us to chop the nuts. You have to lightly chop the nuts because they are already roasted and we don't want very small bits. So you have to get that bite when you have the ice cream. Our fruits are chopped, nuts I have transferred to a small bowl. All we need to do now is prepare the rose milk and then start layering our Falooda. So today I have the rose syrup that is store bought. I'm just adding this to the milk and giving it a stir. You can add some more. I think this color is fine. Let's start layering our Falooda. So first I would need the jelly. So for that I'm taking the jelly. Now in goes the sabja seeds. Now goes the Falooda seed. Some nuts. So you can add the nuts only in the sides. This is basically to give a nice look from the outside. Because I don't have enough space for the fruits now. Hope you can see the layer of the nuts. Now I'm going to add some fruits. Some apples. Some banana. Some strawberries. Again, you can start layering placing the strawberries in the side just for some nice color. Now I'm going to pour the rose milk. Just to start placing the ice cream. Today I have 3 flavors: mango, strawberry and vanilla. So I'm going to use all 3 of them. The layers of the ice creams are done. Now finally I'm going to garnish them with loads of nuts. And some cherry on the top. I can't wait any longer, so I'm just going to take a small bite. Truly awesome. I really wish you try this Royal Falooda at home, and if you wish to skip any of the ingredients here in all these layers, you can do so, but I like my Royal Falooda to be with all these layers. See you soon with yet another interesting recipe.